Most people think making money is the goal, so they spend every day working harder. They believe that longer hours and more effort will eventually give them the life they want. Every morning begins the same way, following a routine that never seems to lead to freedom. The harder they work, the more they believe success is getting closer, but it rarely does. Most people never stop to ask if they're even playing the right game in the first place. Rich people don't think about earning more first. They think about creating something that lasts. Instead of chasing every dollar, they focus on building systems that create value every single day. A strong system keeps working even when you're resting, spending time with family, or sleeping peacefully. Every successful company started with one idea that slowly grew into something much bigger over time. Small improvements made consistently can eventually become powerful systems that work without constant attention. Real wealth grows through patience, smart decisions, and consistent action instead of luck or perfect timing. Each smart decision adds another piece to a machine that becomes stronger with every passing day. The beginning always feels slow, but that's exactly where most people decide to give up too early. The people who stay consistent are usually the ones who enjoy the biggest rewards later on. Over time, those small daily efforts begin turning into results that seem impossible to everyone else. Eventually, the system starts creating value without needing your full attention every single moment. That's when your time is no longer directly connected to every dollar you earn each day. Money becomes the result of your system instead of being the only reason you keep working. This is the moment when financial freedom starts becoming a realistic goal instead of just another dream. The rich don't spend their lives chasing money. They build machines that continue working for them. Every great machine begins with one small step that most people are too impatient to take. The first results may be small, but every improvement makes the system stronger than before. Success isn't built in one day. It's built through small actions repeated over a long time. Most people quit too early because they expect immediate rewards instead of long-term growth. The rich understand that patience is one of the most valuable investments anyone can make. Instead of chasing quick profits, they focus on building something that keeps growing every year. Every improvement makes the machine faster, smarter, and much more valuable than it was yesterday. Eventually, your system begins solving problems without needing your constant attention every single day. That's when your effort starts creating results far beyond the time you originally invested. One smart system can often outperform years of working harder without a clear direction. Every successful business once looked small before it became something people admired around the world. Small daily improvements slowly compound until they become impossible for others to ignore. Just like planting a seed, success needs time before anyone can see the results. The people who stay patient are usually the ones who enjoy the greatest rewards later. Growth happens quietly, long before it becomes visible to everyone around you. Improving your system every day is more powerful than working harder every single day. A better machine creates more value while asking for less of your time and energy. The goal isn't more work. The goal is building something that works without you. One machine can create opportunities that years of hard work alone could never produce. This is the difference between earning money today and creating wealth that lasts for years. The biggest advantage isn't working more. It's making your work continue after you've stopped. Every asset you build becomes another engine, quietly creating value in the background. Your time becomes free because your systems continue producing results without constant attention. That's why wealthy people spend more time creating than constantly chasing the next paycheck. Money follows value, and value comes from solving problems that truly matter to people. The more value your system creates, the less you depend on trading hours for income. Every successful entrepreneur understands that freedom begins with building something that can grow independently. Your first machine won't be perfect, but improving it is what creates extraordinary results over time. Small improvements may seem invisible today, but they become life-changing after enough time has passed. The people who win aren't always the smartest. They're the ones who never stop improving. Every decision you make today is either building your future or delaying it for another year. Success is rarely one big moment. It's thousands of small choices made with purpose. Stop asking how to earn more this week and start asking what you can build. A powerful system keeps creating opportunities long after the original work has already been finished. The richest people don't own more time. They simply use their time in a different way. When your systems grow stronger, your dependence on constant work becomes smaller every single day. That's the moment when money becomes a tool instead of the thing you're always chasing. Build something useful, improve it consistently, and let time multiply the results for you. Real wealth comes from creating value that continues helping people long after it's been built. Don't spend your life chasing money. Spend it building machines that create lasting freedom.